Hello everyone, 大家好 Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 minutes YouTube channel. Today, we are going to talk about the Chinese character 有. The Chinese to English translation of 有 means to have or to possess. The Chinese character 有 is pretty easy to write. There are only 6 strokes. The meaning of the Chinese character 有. Do you know that the Chinese character 有 means a hand holding a piece of meat, symbolizing to possess or to have? Frequently used words or phrases for 有的 some 有的是 have plenty of 有关 related to 有点儿 a little 有名 famous 有些 some 有用 useful 有力 powerful. How to use the Chinese character 有 to form sentences. Number 1. To mean to have or to possess. 他有女朋友，他有女朋友，他有女朋友 He has a girlfriend. 我家有养宠物，我家有养宠物，我家有养宠物 My family has pets. Number 2. To mean some. 这里的食物有的辣，有的咸。这里的食物有的辣，有的咸。这里的食物有的辣，有的咸。Some of the food here are spicy. Some are salty. 有的人说汉语很难学，有的人说容易。有的人说汉语很难学，有的人说容易。有的人说汉语很难学，有的人说容易。Some people say Chinese is difficult to learn. Some say easy. Over here, you can also replace 有的人 to 有些人。他们有时候很顽皮、调皮。他们有时候很顽皮、调皮。他们有时候很顽皮、调皮。They are naughty sometimes. Number 3. To mean not definite. 有一年的冬天，他突然走了。有一年的冬天，他突然走了。有一年的冬天，他突然走了。He suddenly left one winter. 有一天晚上，我在街上看到玛丽和她的男朋友。有一天晚上，我在街上看到玛丽和她的男朋友。有一天晚上，我在街上看到玛丽和她的男朋友。I saw Mary and her boyfriend on the street one night. Number 4. Polite word. 有请会长上台说句话。有请会长上台说句话。有请会长上台说句话。Please welcome the chairman to the stage to say a few words. 今天真是有劳您的帮忙了。今天真是有劳您的帮忙了。今天真是有劳您的帮忙了。Thank you so much for what you did today. Number 5. To mean exist. 书包里有很多书。书包里有很多书。书包里有很多书。There are many books in the bag. 车里有只小狗。车里有只小狗。车里有只小狗。There is a puppy in the car. Affirmative, negative question of 有 sentence. 你有没有看到大卫？你有没有看到大卫？你有没有看到大卫？ Did you see David? 你有看到大卫没有？你有看到大卫没有？你有看到大卫没有？ Have you seen David? Please take note that only 没有 and not may can occur at the end of a sentence. Negative form of 有. The negative form of 有 is always 没有. Placing the negative adverb 没 in front of 有. It is totally wrong to say 不有 or 有没. That is all we have for you today. Let us know what you think about this video. Leave a comment and we will get back to you ASAP. Thank you. 今天的视频就到此结束。谢谢大家。